Hey friend, my name is Rick and welcome to my Cape Cod life. I'm going to do a garden tour. It's the last day of June and we're going to be getting a heat wave quite soon. So let's walk around and see what we can find. Ochre, it's just not going anywhere. I've lost a couple. I don't know what the deal is. Very disappointing. So the cherry tomatoes, they're coming along. Some of them are starting to set fruit, and it won't be long for them. Here are my slicer tomatoes. They're doing good. These peppers, I mean, they're trying, but I had a much better time of it last year. But they have set fruit, so we'll see what happens. Now, over here, these are paprika peppers, and they're doing good. They're setting fruit. Those come from my friend Angela. I can't wait. These are supposed to be banana peppers, but I don't know. They kind of look like big shishitas. I don't know, something went numbling on that one. All right, so these beans I had to plant twice. Oh, they're starting to germinate again. You see some critter. Let me get a little closer. I don't know if you can see. I think it's chipmunks. Bit the tops off originally, and I'm gonna get some more cayenne pepper and put it on here. Hopefully that will deter them. This is a vertical growing summer squash, so it's coming along finally. Oh, I got some errant chickens. I'll be right back. All right, we're starting to get some blackberries fruiting. Some of them are. This is the first time this one has given me a bunch. It looks like she's thirsty. She get watered with everybody else. Nice clusters of it in there. And this one too, this one bloomed probably a week after, so it's coming along. And then let's walk past the chicken. And these are just blooming now. This one did good for me last year. Good for the birds. So I have some netting. I'm gonna put netting on these. See if I can have some of the crop. I had to plant cucumbers the second time, and it took me a little while to get these in. It was because either some birds found the seeds or they rotted. So when I planted them, it was a little cool, not bad, but it was a little bit cool. And it was also very rainy, so that's why I suspect that it's rotted. There's a pot of Swiss chard coming along. Over there I have a couple more tomatoes and a pepper. That's marjoram. And here too, I had to replant these 3 times to coming up. So definitely gonna get the cayenne pepper, but this is where those chipmunks just got to my beans. I'll start harvesting this garlic in a couple of weeks. This other variety here, this is music over here. This is really big. These are smaller. These are chestnuts, but they'll be good too. So this is a first for me. I've never grown it before, but this is Chiavites squash, also known as alligator pears or mirlitons. So fingers crossed we get some fruiting on this, but she's doing good. So this, well, these are seeds from a Napa cabbage that my friend Dee sent to me, the seeds. She was doing good, and then the warm weather came and she just went to seed. So I'm going to plant some more. I'm going to save some of these seeds as well. I'll plant more for the fall crops. This is a radish seed pod that hasn't dried yet. These are actually quite tasty. Now this is a radish pod too, but it comes from a variety known as dragon tails, and it's grown specifically for the pods and not for the root. I had some kale in college. It has some insect and pest pressure. I'm gonna have to get on that. Nice pot of carrots. They're not nearly ready yet. All right, so this is an early Jersey Wakefield cabbage. And I'm gonna harvest that now. It's a cone-shaped cabbage, which is interesting. And there she is, folks. She's beautiful. So the rest of those leaves I'll bring to the chickens. They'll love that. Well, there you have it. That's the garden tour for this month, the end of the month. There's a few other things I didn't get to show you. And there's a lot of weeding to do. Those weeds keep growing and growing. So I hope you like this video. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing and liking. And my friends who've been here before, I appreciate you so much. I hope you like this video as well. And as always, my Cape Cod life.